Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone battery last longer. First thing you're going to do is open Settings. Turn off the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if you are not using it at the moment, and only turn it on when you are about to use it. After that, you click on Cellular. Click on the SIM you are using. Locate data roaming and turn it off. Click on General. Find Background App Refresh and click on it. Turn it off.